It's fast a while ago.
He's so silly.
Yeah, here he
Yeah,
goes. He's
yeah.
going now. Yeah, watch it.
Yeah.
What is about to do?
I don't know if he's been trained like that.
You have to take a picture of this.
There he is.
So silly.
Oh, why are you stuck in the same place again?
He just stopped now. He's
He's
tired.
taking a break. He's taking a break.
He's tired.
What's the point?
Hey, yo, shush, bro.
Like, what's,
Yeah, he's talking back to you now.
like, what's the point of what he's doing?
Bro.
Sophie, you didn't see the gorilla cleaning. Nag-clean siya sa one.
Look what he's doing.
I'm going to say,
See his mouth.
yeah.
Look, mommy, look, mommy, look, mommy, look,
Just
mommy, look.
Dahil asa lang musunod ay.
Cleaning.
Asa lang musunod, dira? Pagkitong mo kay ang monkey nag-clean siya sa kilid.
Can I go in again, Mommy? I want to go to the right one.
Yeah, sure. We're going to the right.
Asa naman ang cart? Oh,
Nagamit ito because we ate a lot.
What is this?
They might make another They might use it as a park. I don't know.
asa nga lang ni Dave Miyazaki Zoo? Phoenix Zoo? Sophie, be careful! Una-una gining maldita ay. Sophie, you're talking to your friend? Konnichiwa. Hi, this is Sophie. Sophia, this is. She is a Japanese. Sophie.
It must be done, though.
Be careful. Be careful. Be careful.
Yeah.
Sophie, not near.
We're like just trying to eat the fence.
Mommy, I want to put coins.
Daddy, get some coin, Daddy.
Yeah, what do you want? How much is it?
100.
100.
We can feed the goats.
Hey, Sophie.
Okay. Oh, do you want to put it in?
We can literally feed the goats. Now open that
Just be
food.
careful as you feed
Just be
them.
careful.
If you don't, or buy.
Day, ganito siya, day. Kaya basta ipakanto niya ang
More
book.
coming now in those.
Oh, okay, now walk in.
share.
Dapat man yung
No. I'm not scared. I'm not scared.
餌はできるだけ柵の外から与えましょう。
Oh,
広場の中で
Jam
与えるとヤギが喜んで飛びかかってくることがあります。
Be careful.
ヤギに餌を食べさせるときには保護者の方はご注意ください。
I thought she was crying.
I thought she was.
Why am I like Sophia, be careful. Let's do it together.
Yeah, there you go, yeah. I know, it'll tickle, Ellie tickles. It's not even, oh, hello.
Come on. I'm scared.
Can I have another one?
Oh, it's empty. We'll get
Have you got no more hundreds?
No, I don't think that's enough.
I know.
No, that's enough.
Are they friendly?
They are friendly, look.
Yeah. Is it only lick the tongue will come out?
There's only 3 on the 100. Come on, Sophie.
Don't have teeth.
She's scared. They scared. Josh, do you want to get some?
You want to go?
Oh, look,
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 look.
look, look.
Daddy, daddy, daddy. Here.
手のひらに
See? Here it is.
He's already.
Want to give it a try?
餌はできるだけ
Oh, Sophie's done it. Yeah, you did
Good
it.
girl. Good girl.
Yeah.
ヤギが喜んで
Josh, Josh, wash your hands.
小さなお子様がヤギに餌を食べさせるときには特に保護者の方はご注意ください。髪を与えると
Yeah.
ヤギがお腹を壊します。絶対に髪は食べさせないでください。
Daddy, let's go in
また
there.
ヤギが養蜂を刺すことがあります。ご注意ください。
Oh, this is all goat only, isn't it?
No, it looks like, yeah, just different kinds, isn't it? Yeah.